Chicken. It's a staple on dinner plates around the world, but have you ever stopped to think about where that chicken came from? How was it raised? And what did it eat? These are important questions because the way we raise chickens affects not only the birds themselves, but also our health and the health of our planet. There are two very different ways that chickens are raised for meat industrial farming and organic farming. These two methods couldn't be more different. One is focused on producing as many chickens as possible, as cheaply as possible. The other focuses on raising chickens in a humane and sustainable way, with respect for the animals and the environment. In this essay, we'll take a closer look at both industrial and organic chicken farming. We'll explore the differences between these two methods, and we'll talk about why more and more people are choosing organic chicken. Industrial chicken farms or factory farms are designed for efficiency. Their goal is to produce the most chicken meat in the shortest amount of time at the lowest possible cost. To achieve this, thousands upon thousands of chickens are crammed into giant, windowless sheds. They are packed together with barely enough room to move. The conditions inside these sheds are far from natural. The air is thick with ammonia from the chicken's waste. The birds live under artificial lights with no access to fresh air or sunshine. They are fed a diet of grain, often laced with antibiotics to prevent disease in the crowded, unsanitary conditions. Sadly, these chickens never experience the simple joys of life outdoors. They never get to feel the sun on their backs or scratch in the dirt for bugs. In industrial farming, chickens are treated more like products on an assembly line than living creatures. Organic chicken farms offer a stark contrast to the harsh realities of factory farms. On an organic farm, chickens are given the space to move around freely. They can flap their wings, dust bathe in the sunshine, and engage in other natural chicken behaviors. Organic chickens are raised in spacious barns or allowed to roam freely outdoors on pasture. They have access to fresh air and sunshine, which are essential for their health and well-being. These chickens are fed a diet of organic grains, free from antibiotics and other harmful chemicals. The difference in the lives of these chickens is night and day. Organic chickens are healthier and happier. They are able to live more natural lives, free from the stress and suffering of factory farms. Section 4. Choosing your chicken health, ethics and the environment. So what's the difference between industrial and organic chicken on your plate? The answer is simple. Everything. Organically raised chickens are not only healthier for us to eat, but they are also better for the environment. Chickens raised in industrial farms are often pumped full of antibiotics. This overuse of antibiotics contributes to the growing problem of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which poses a serious threat to human health. Organic chickens, on the other hand, are raised without the use of antibiotics. This means that they are safer for us to eat and better for the environment. Furthermore, industrial chicken farming generates a tremendous amount of waste. This waste pollutes our waterways and contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Organic farming practices are designed to protect the environment. They focus on soil health, water conservation, and reducing waste. Section 5. Join the movement Vote with Your Food. When you buy chicken, you're not just buying it. You're making a choice. You're choosing between two very different systems of food production. By choosing organic chicken, you're supporting a system that is better for the chickens, better for your health. It's time to start thinking differently about where our food comes from. It's time to demand better for ourselves, for the animals, and for the earth. The next time you're at the grocery store, look for the organic label. Your choice matters. Choose quality, choose sustainability, choose organic.